These are the SkyJuice supplied components that come in the SkyHydrant box. These three components at the back are the feet, the cleaning handles on the left, wall bracket in the centre, and a packet of bolts and washers on the right. On the left, from top to bottom, we have a valve, a double-ended screw fitting, a couple of spare O-rings. On the right we have 4 connectors to connect flexible pipes to the valves and a roll of sealing tape. Finally, there's a SkyHydrant user guide and data sheet. The additional Disaster Aid Australia items are a laminated pictorial operator's manual, a combined vent and overflow for the filtered water tank, 3 additional plumbing fittings, and from October 2020 we will be providing a year's supply of operators' record sheets. To install the feet, get the 2 short components and push them into the holes in the long component. And then, using the long bolts, fix them to the bottom of the SkyHydrant. Once all the bolts are in, you can tighten them fully. Once all the bolts are tightened, you should be able to stand the SkyHydrant up stably. Once the feet are in place, you can then fix the wall brackets. These are fixed to the SkyHydrant with the short bolts. Once the SkyHydrant brackets are tight, you can then screw them to the wall with a bolt or large screw. With the gem, there is some additional assembly required for the raw water inlet. First of all, take off the blanking plug here. Then, using the double threaded connector from the kit, screw this into the fitting. This fitting has got rubber seals, so it doesn't need the jointing tape. You can now screw the inlet valve onto the fitting. Again, so it's tight and the rubber seal makes a tight, watertight connection. For the next stage of the connection from this valve, see the video on SkyHydrant connections. The final step of assembly is to install the handles. First of all, take out this bolt from the top together with its plastic sleeve. You can now see the threaded hole into which the handle fits. Screw this up. Sometimes you cannot screw the handle up fully because the membrane inside has dropped slightly. If this is the case, just screw the handles as far as you can. Once the hydrant is in position and the connection's made, as the SkyHydrant fills up with water, that will lift the membrane and enable you to finish installing the handles.